My name is Dixon Smith, MRO Sales Manager at ES&E. I'm in the studio with Kent Plankey from Ashby Company. Today we're going to be talking about the MP300 portable label printer from Panduit. Kent, thanks for being in the studio with us. What can you tell us about this printer?
Thank you, Dixon. Glad to be here. This is Panduit's latest handheld printer. They've partnered with Epson to come out with this handheld unit. Very well-designed printer in its class.
What makes this one different than the other printers that are out there on the market?
Probably the three biggest things that it differentiates it is it's going to print bigger, print up to 1.5 inches. Competitive ones are printing up to about 1 inch. Prints better, prints 360 DPI compared to about a 300 DPI, and it prints faster. So it's 1.4 inches per second compared to about a 1.3 or 1.2, so it's bigger, better, and faster.
Okay, and the ranges are 1.5 is the biggest, and then it goes down to...
Yeah, it's going to go, I believe the smallest size is going to be a 3/8 tape, and then up to 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches,
okay. What kinds of customers can you see using this printer?
Of your customer base being able to use it, it's going to be a good printer for electrical contractors. It's going to be a good printer for MRO, for maintenance electricians, and for OEMs installs and when they're doing stuff remotely.
Okay.
And the types of materials that this printer can print, it's printing self-laminating wire markers. Mm-hmm. It's also going to print continuous tape in different colors, different materials, up to 1.5 inches wide, and it's also going to print on heat shrink. And a couple of features on the printer that we hadn't mentioned yet. It's got a handle for ease of carrying if you're walking around the plant or moving locations or maybe going up to a different level, as well as it has magnets on the back side to be able to stick to an enclosure if somebody's wanting to stand at an enclosure and print. And a big difference between this and some of the low-end printers, it is more expensive, but it's kind of being wise with your time. Say, for instance, if you print 52 labels with a low-end printer, you have to hit print and cut 52 times. Mm-hmm. And then you've got 52 labels that you need to sort through to be able to lay that out on a panel with your wires. Mm-hmm. With this one, it'll do die cut self-lams, or you can do that with heat shrink, and it'll keep them together. So it saves a lot of time when you're going back in wiring. So really when our customers are looking at it, it's not just a material cost or a printer cost, but it's really time and labor. And I really feel like this one is a better solution for most customers when they look at the labor side of it as well.
Kent, tell me about how do you change the cartridges on these printers?
It's very simple, Dixon. What you do is you just lift the little lip right here, get you access to the cartridge, and then you just lift out the cartridge and replace it with a new one or different material, whatever you're trying to accomplish.
Seems easy. And what all comes with the printer? Is it a kit? Can you buy it standalone, or what are the options there?
It's going to come as a kit. So kind of what you see here is what you get when you order an MP300. It's going to be the printer, the adapter, battery charger, and then it's going to be the carrying case, which kind of helps you keep up with that, as well as some extra cassettes.
Kent, thanks for coming into the studio with us again today. We really appreciate you showing us new products from Panduit, and thank you again.
Thank you, Dixon.